Hello, not going to keep you long today. We're going to make a really simple, delicious dal. You can see it right there. It's fantastic. We're going to bang this out in no time. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, we're going to go straight in today. Nice, quick, easy dal. 3 tablespoons of oil I'm using coconut oil. You can change that if you want. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. Some fresh curry leaves. If you can get these, they're really fabulous. If not, try and get dried. Just put the heat on, so it's on just an above medium heat. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Just enough time to infuse that oil with those lovely spices. 2 cups onion. I'm also going to add some salt. And I'm going to add some fresh chili. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chilies here. I'm putting them in whole. Chop them if you want. 3 or 4 minutes. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. 2 cups of fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. And today I'm using curry powder. I've made some lovely homemade curry powder. If you're a regular to the show, you know I normally use individual spices, but today we're going to go with 3 teaspoons of this beautiful fresh curry powder that I've made. 5 or 6 minutes now. We really want to cook those tomatoes right down. So you can see the tomatoes cooking beautifully. We're now going to add in 4 cups of cooked dal. That's the dal there. You see it's kind of orange there, but once you cook it, it kind of turns that kind of yellow. So I cook 2 cups of that. It kind of doubles up to 4. And all you do is you give it a little wash. Rinse it through in some water. Then boil it in some cold water there. No need to add salt or anything, just boil it away. And it cooks in like 5-6 minutes. This type of dal really cooks very quickly. But we're going to fry this around for about 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. And then the final step, I mean, by the way, if you want, you can eat this just like this. But we're going to add some water. I've got 400 ml of water there. It's going to go in. And you can cook this, well, I'm going to go for about 5 minutes now. It will reduce down as it cooks. But you can get the consistency exactly where you want. You can get it really thick, really soupy, up to you. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. But I kind of like mine about there. But like I said, if you want it drier or wetter, up to you. Check it for salt, a little bit of cilantro in the end, or maybe a little bit of garam masala powder could also work. Little mix, off you go, job done. Told you this was going to be a quick one. Okay, and there you go. Just really simple, beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.